showing you how to add a scrolling background to Scratch. So first, one green flag clicked for the Scratch Cat forever. Wait 0.07 seconds. Next, costume. So let's see. So yeah, we got the cat walking now. So we'll put our cat over here. So for a background, we'll do a sprite. And so we are going to put a green, we're gonna put a green rectangle on the bottom. I'll make that a bit darker. And then we are going to set our color to blue. I'll move the saturation down. I think that looks good. And then put a sky. And so we want this to be centered. And so now we are gonna add a detail that's passing by. So to do that, we are going to set the color to whatever you want. I'll just do blue and set the saturation to 0. And then the brightness, put it down to 77. And for the rock, just draw a circle. I know you might be thinking that doesn't look like a rock, but we are going to edit the points of it using this reshape tool. So we are gonna drag this point upward. And yeah, now we got a rock. And just for later, we are going to duplicate the sprite. And now if you want, you could put a different detail that's passing by. So I will do a little plant. I'll just delete this rock and then draw a plant. So set the color to green, and then I will draw a plant. And this time I'll do a light green. So let's do the plant, kind of like that. Yeah, okay, I like that plant. So we are going to name this cat because he is a cat. And then we'll name this BG. And to give this the same name, just type the same name first, BG, and then just put a space afterwards. And Scratch would automatically name this as the same thing because you can rename a sprite with spaces. So in our background sprite, we are gonna do a one green flag clicked and a forever loop. Move -5 steps. -5 steps. Right now we are just going to hide this sprite. And we are going to go to X0, Y0. And we are also going to go to the back layer. So you will go to front layer block, snap that under the go to X, Y, and instead of front, we are going to do back. And so now we can do if block to make it glide around and come back over here. And then, first we want to find out how far to the left it can go. So to do that, set this X position to -1000. And so it can go all the way to -466. So grab out this X position block, which is in the motion category. And then if X position is equal to its current X position right now, which is 466. So let's just type in 466. We are going to do 466. And then if we click on this, it'll say true. And so if this is true, then we are going to wrap right around. So we want to go all the way over here. What's the farthest X position it can go? So put in +1000 to find out what it is. Okay, so we are going to go to this X position. And so now we can just set this right back to 0. 0. And so now if we click on the green flag, the cat is walking, it goes and it comes right around. So you might have noticed this white space. To fix that, that's what the second sprite is for. This will follow the sprite. So we can just transport this to our background by opening our backpack, dragging the script into the backpack, closing it, go to our second sprite, open it over here, and then drag this code into our workspace. And the only change we want it to make is instead we are going to already go to X467 with a Y of 0. And so now we still haven't got the scrolling background. And here is why it's not working. Because remember when we currently hid the sprite? It's still hidden. So we are just going to show that. And now we kind of got this working. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon on the top right corner. Bye.